सिर्फ इस मोमेंट के बारे में सोचा था कि आप लोग ट्रेलर देखेंगे और फिर हमको स्टेज पे आना है। उसके बाद हमको कुछ बोलना पड़ेगा इसके बारे में मैंने सोचा ही नहीं था। जब भी मैं ट्रेलर देखती हूँ तो again, can we carry on? I'm very sorry.
Not seen this completed before, so it is a little overwhelming. Guys, please don't do that. Please, not very. Please.
I just want to say that it's not often where you come across a story where you have to sit through an entire narration. Usually you have to sit through the entire process and then decide whether you want to do a film or not, and it's not often where you come across a story where you know instantly in the first few minutes of meeting a director that this is what you want to commit your life to. And Chapak is that for me. Meghna, thank you so much for trusting me with this. It's been an incredible journey, emotionally, putting it together. And I feel like irrespective of how it's received and how it does, it'll be my most special film of my career. And I truly hope that all of you see I think the impact that the film is supposed to have on all of us, and the reason why we did this movie, I hope you see in it what we saw in it. We've made it with a lot of love, a lot of passion, a lot of enthusiasm, with a lot of responsibility, and yeah, thank you so much. I'm just lost for words. Thank you.
इस फिल्म में कलेक्शन मायने नहीं रखते, इतनी कमाल की फिल्म है ये, और ये एक ह्यूमैनिटी की फिल्म है, इंसानियत की फिल्म है, तो कलेक्शन का इसमें मायने नहीं रखते। लेकिन आपने पूछा तो मैं बताऊंगा, मेरे हिसाब से ये सारे रिकॉर्ड तोड़ने वाली है, और मुझे बड़ी खुशी होगी कि पीके की रिकॉर्ड इस फिल्म से टूटे, बेहद खुशी होगी मुझे। सलमान का हर सीन इस फिल्म में अच्छा है, बहुत ही बेहतरीन, हर सीन उनका इस फिल्म में बहुत ही बेहतरीन है, और इस फिल्म की लिखाई ख़ास तौर से बहुत ही अच्छी है। जो इसकी कहानी है, जो इसके डायलॉग्स हैं, जो हर एक लम्हा, हर एक मोमेंट है इस फिल्म का, बहुत ही कमाल का है। तो मुझे तो बड़ी खुशी हो रही है इस वक्त, मैंने बहुत ही अच्छी फिल्म देखी है, और मैं इसी वक्त जाऊंगा सलमान से मिलने। पार्टी पता नहीं चल रही है, नहीं चल रही है, अगर वो सो रहे हैं तो मैं उनको उठाऊंगा।
So he's the heroine, and this is our hero, and the heroine's sitting there.
फिल्म के लिए हाँ बोलने से पहले क्या आपने नीरजा के बारे में पढ़ा था, सुना था, या फिर फिल्म करने के बाद आपको मतलब क्या फीलिंग थी जब आप फिल्म कंप्लीट हुई, वो एहसास कैसा था आपके मन में?
I think Ram had told me something and I laughed at him. I said नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होगा, because when we were shooting in the plane, every day I used to be like, oh God, I'm out of the plane. And by the end of the schedule, I'm so sorry, I said, I can't, thank you Ram. I said, I can't believe I get to leave this plane, and nobody else, and she didn't. So I think that's what you get out of something like this.
There is a responsibility that we have, and there was a journalist friend of mine who called up and said, Ram, do you realize what you're making, and do you realize the responsibility that is there on your shoulder? And to be trapped inside a plane for 16 hours and to try and see what that feeling, how do you capture that feeling of being inside there? And how do you actually even imagine the ordeal that the passengers would have gone through and that Neerja would have gone through?
You know, I thought about what I would say before coming for this press conference, because I remember not very long ago, almost a year ago, I was here launching the trailer of my first film, and I was so nervous. I kept thinking about what am I going to say, what am I going to say. I was preparing answers, but I've decided that I'm going to be very honest, and I don't know if you can zoom into my eyes, but I'm very, very emotional right now. This film is not a film for me. It's an experience that I never had. I started working at the age of 18, and I always complain about that one experience that maybe I won't ever have. You know, going to college, being by yourself, being independent.
प्रीवियस सीजन में हमारा एक एपिसोड था फाइटिंग रेप वाला, तो उसमें एक लड़की थी जिसका बलात्कार हुआ था और जिन लोगों ने वो किया था उन्होंने उसको जला भी दिया था, और वो जब अस्पताल में थी तो उस हालत में उसने अपना डाइंग डिक्लेरेशन दिया था. अब वो इंटरव्यू मैंने देखा है, वो हम आपको दिखा नहीं सकते, आप देख नहीं पाएंगे. मैं नहीं, मतलब मेरे लिए इतना मुश्किल था वो देखना. तो बहुत सारी चीजें देखी है मैंने जिसका बहुत गहरा असर हुआ है मुझ पर. तो बहुत सारी चीजें जो हम टीवी पे नहीं दिखा सकते, वो बच्चे भी देख रहे हैं और लोग भी देख रहे हैं, तो वी हैव टू कीप दैट इन माइंड. हम
all the people who love Yash uncle, all the people who have been closely associated with the family.
For me, my father came a few decades back to this Mumbai film industry, and he saw success, he saw a lot of disappointments, but that gave me strength me and my brother. So I want to thank my father, my mother who's here, my brother, or both my brothers. And of course, I don't want to say much about myself. It's a very joyous moment for me today. It's great pride that today my son Harsh Vardhan Kapoor, is over here. All I can say is, beta ho to aisa, magar I just want to say, meri baat nahi sunta. He just doesn't listen to me at all. And I know people are very, very apprehensive about star sons, but I can assure you, Harsh, and all of you, star children who are, they don't have to be apprehensive, especially Harsh, because whatever he's done today, he's done it on his own. He's got this film on his own. Absolutely. And he believes he's different, but don't expect anything like me from him. Absolutely, I'm telling you. And that's what his strength is. And I just want to thank, that Rakesh, Om Prakash Mehra, spotted him, groomed him, and the entire team, have made him Mirzya today. And I can see Mirzya on screen today. I just want to say that all of you over here, friends from the media, my colleagues, my family, Javed Saab, Gulzar Saab, Diler Saab, Shankar, absolutely phenomenal talents, and all of you all have given me so much of support and love. Mera hak banta hai. The entire family has given blood, sweat to this business, never compromised, never made no scams, never made money, just made enough money, but gave everything to this show business, to this film industry. So whatever love and affection you all have given me for so many years, I want you all to give it to my son.
Adnan ji, Salam alaikum, Sajal, mera bachcha, I love you. I don't know, I'm becoming emotional. I really miss you all. जिस तरह आप लोगों ने इस फिल्म में जो काम किया है, नाजवाब है। आप लोगों के बिना ये फिल्म मैं सोच भी नहीं सकती हूँ। It's a very special moment for us. We've been waiting for this moment. I miss you all.